If you have not tried this product out in your kitchen yet, what are you even doing with your life? Welcome to Low Rent Reviews, where I give it to you straight with unfiltered opinions. I'm a longtime user and huge fan of the Scrub Daddy. I know this was one of the Shark Tank success products. I tried it out many years ago. The original version has like the yellow smiley face. These are limited edition. I got these straight off of the Scrub Daddy website. This is the Summer Scrubbers, and I thought I would try something a little bit more fun. Now, this is not at all sponsored. I paid for this myself. I do use affiliate links. This is gonna be my legit, honest opinion of the product. Love it. Absolutely love this. These are the best kitchen scrubber sponges out there. Like, I don't even know what the hell is in these things, but they're so good. They last a lot longer than the ordinary kitchen sponges, even the ones with like the yellow soft side and then the green scrubby side. So it says it has unique texture changing foam, resists odors, won't scratch, and always greets you with a smile. And yeah, this all checks out. So it's scratch free, safe on non-stick pans, good for deep cleaning. Yeah, these are great for cleaning anything. They last, like I've had some of these sponges last 6 months. Towards the end of its lifespan, they do get softer over time, and then they kind of start to break down, but it takes a while. Like, I would say you could get 6 months out of a sponge. The Smile cleans your utensils. They are dishwasher safe. I've never put them in the dishwasher. The other good thing I like about the Scrub Daddies is that whatever this is made of, food bits don't get stuck inside. They'll get on the surface, but you can wash it off a lot easier. So I just personally find the Scrub Daddy to be just a lot more sanitary, I guess. Yeah, I bought these a while ago because I don't even have to buy these very often because they just last such a long time. I mean, look how cute this is. So this is a little octopus. I just think I like the colors. I have also tried the Scrub Mommy product where it's like half of the Scrub Daddy material on the one side, and then it's more of your traditional softer sponge on the other side. I do like the versatility of the Scrub Mommy product, but I did notice they don't last as long as these guys. If you're looking for versatility and you do need the soft sponge, Scrub Mommy is a good option, but I just tried out one of the Scrub Mommies and it made it about, I would say about less than 2 months, and it's kind of fallen apart. So these do last quite a bit longer in my opinion. Aren't these so adorable? So if you've never tried these before, I don't know what you've been doing, if you've been living under a rock, because these things are everywhere. So that's a good thing, is that they are widely available. They're a little bit pricier than your regular sponges. Totally worth it though. It just makes cleaning a lot easier. And yeah, scrubbing, great. I just love these things, and they have quite a few different varieties for different uses. You can purchase them, I think, directly on the Scrub Daddy website or like pretty much anywhere else, Amazon, whatever. But these Scrub Daddy's products are the best. They got the little eyes too. They have different holders for them. They sell a lot more than just the regular Scrub Daddy. They have a lot of different types of products. Such a winner. I can see why the guy who invented this product is like a gazillionaire now, because they're really good. I did not know you could put them in the dishwasher. That's pretty interesting. So yeah, what are these other, okay, this one, okay, is this like, is that like a stingray? Okay, that's like a crab. Okay, so it's got a little crab here. So yeah, I just thought the summer ones were really fun. Oh, that looks like it's a shark. Okay, that looks like a shark or a fish. Octopus. So I thought this was a really cute little addition. So I'm excited because my Scrub Mommy is kind of on its last legs. So I'm gonna be switching it out for this one probably later today. But when you get it wet, if you submerge it in cold water, it's a little bit, harder. And then it's a little bit softer if you rinse it with hot water. So it's kind of nice because it's sort of a chameleon. The sponge can be softer or harder depending on what your cleaning needs are. So if you have not tried this product, have you been like living under a bridge? I don't know, but Scrub Daddy, 100%, I cannot recommend this enough. It's one of the best cleaning products, probably innovations. I'm not even exaggerating, probably one of the best cleaning inventions of this century. And I'm not even joking. I'm just very enthusiastic about the Scrub Daddy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think about Scrub Daddies, down below in the comments, and I'll see you soon again for another review.